like the RGB and hex, we have something called hue. Sorry, HSL. So HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. Now, in HSL world, the hue is pretty much 0 to 360, and these are range of percentages, so 0 to 100 percentage. Now I'm giving a 0 degree hue and 20% and 50% saturation and lightening respectively. So that is pretty much this color. Let's try to increase the range. So let me do this. Let's say this is 30 degrees. Okay, this is basically degrees. So I could do it till 360. Okay, for 250, this is the color. Let me try to make this a bit dark. Okay, so 290. Now I'm gonna make this 5 pixels so that you should be able to see the border. So these are the ways we are able to apply color to, the border, the background color. So there's so many ways.